What's up, Sassperallas? It's your girl Sassy J, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Yes, listen, I know this video is probably coming a bit later than what it usually would, because normally when I do post on a Thursday, my video is kind of like up by like 1:30. But guys, had a busy day doing nothing. I'm joking. Guys, I won't lie, I was not doing anything. I had a busy day doing nothing. I'm not even gonna lie about it. I literally just felt like, you know, one of those days when you have like sorry, when you feel like you have so much to do but you haven't done anything. I was having one of them days because I just felt like I was so tired, but I had so much to catch up on. But at the same time, I'm moving at a very slow pace, so I'm not getting anything done. Today was one of them days. But guys, I'm trying to be consistent here, and I did say to you guys that you might not get the weight loss video, the weight loss update, which you're not gonna get this week, guys. You're not gonna get, but I feel like my face is looking a bit smaller. But anyhow, focused. So guys, I wanted to do this brush review because, you know, this company, guys, gave me these brushes months now. I'm not gonna lie, they gave me these brushes and asked me to do like a little review on them, and I kind of delayed this video mainly because I actually wanted to do like a full-on makeover when I was using these brushes, but I can't, guys. I can't because I've just been so busy and I have so much stuff to do. But I thought, you know what, let me just come on and show you these brushes and kind of give you guys a little, you know, give you guys a little review on them from what I think, like, you know, just looking at them and probably trying them out and testing them. Because, you know, you can tell to a certain extent when a brush is good and when it's crap, okay? And I love my brushes. I'm not like one of those uber makeup fans, because I do wear makeup, because I wouldn't go out anywhere fancy without wearing makeup. But at the same time, I'm the kind of person that will go out on a day-to-day without wearing any form of makeup. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, my skin went through it, but it's clearing up, and I need to stop popping my face. Like, I need to stop popping spots and stuff. But I've literally changed my skincare routine, and I kid you not, if you look at my skin compared to how it was recently, like probably a few months ago, it's definitely improving a whole lot. But that's for another video. But anyways, guys, before I get into the video, I'm just gonna ask you guys to give the video a thumbs up. Yes, guys, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Yes, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, yes please, and turn on your notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a new video. But anyways, guys, so I've actually opened this package already, but I haven't fully opened the brush itself, because when I opened it, it was kind of one of those moments that I got the package, quickly opened to see what it was, and then I kind of put it aside and said I'm gonna get back to it. But I haven't actually gone through it as yet, so we're going through it for the first time together, okay? But anyways, guys, so this is from a company called HEYMKGO. I think I'm gonna put it up there. I think it's HEYMKGO, and basically they do like brush tools and stuff like that, like makeup brushes, and they offered to send me this makeup brush set. And yeah, so the brand is called, I don't know if you can actually see it, I'll put it close, oh, maybe not, but I'll put it on the screen anyways, guys. So they decided to send me this brush set, and apparently there's got quite a lot in there. So I'm gonna put the link for these brushes if you're interested to try them. I actually forgot how much they were because it was so long, and you know, not that I forgot, well, I did forget, but they sent me these so long ago. I actually think to myself, how much are they again? But I went on the link that they sent me, and it's now on for $15.99 or so on Amazon. So I'm going to put the link down below in the description, so if you guys are interested and you want to try it. But anyways, let's open it up. So I do like a brush set that comes in like a proper case. And this one, I'm not going to lie, I like this. So it's like a lilac-y case, and you've got the name of the brand there. The name of the brand is HEYMKGO. I do like this. It's like a lilac-y kind of color. It's like, I think it's meant to be like leather, but obviously we know, honey, it's not real leather, but it doesn't matter. It looks cute, and I like it, because you could probably even get away with kind of using this as like a purse or something. Do you know what I'm saying? Put your little bits and bobs in there, especially for holidays. So you can use it up. So that's what it looks like, guys. Really cute. And you have this little bit here as well. And this is why I say you can actually use it as a purse, because, do you see what I'm saying? You can literally hold like that and carry it around. Okay, so now you see what it looks like, the case. Let's have a look inside to see what is there and how many brushes. So, one, I think this is I think this might be like a blusher brush, maybe. No, a powder brush. I think this is a powder brush. It doesn't actually say, it has the name of the brand on the brushes, but it doesn't actually say what the brushes are. But I think this is either a powder or a blusher brush. It comes with this over it, just kind of keep them together. So I'm gonna take them, put them aside. There's another bigger brush. So yeah, actually, I would say this is the blusher brush and this is the powder brush. But you can use that as a blusher brush as well, because I actually have, guys, I have a brush that's quite similar. Do you know, oh my God. Guys, this feels so nice and soft. This feels really nice and soft. I'm gonna obviously have to like update you guys on how it feels when I actually use it. But this feels, the bristles feel so nice and soft. And I'll give you an update as well once I wash it. Because you know, sometimes you buy brushes and they feel so nice. And then you wash them and they're not so nice because they get really hard and stiff. But this feels really good. But guys, I think that's like a blusher brush. That's a powder brush. So that's two brushes. And this is a foundation brush. I can tell this is a foundation brush. This one. How do you apply your foundation, guys? Do you use a brush? Do you use your fingers? Or do you use a sponge? See, I tend to use either a brush for my foundation or my fingers. Do you know what? They always say your fingers is a good thing to use. It's free. Plus, it's more hygienic than using a sponge and also a brush sometimes. Because, guys, if you're going to use your brush and your sponges, make sure you wash them, okay? Maybe make sure you keep on top of the hygiene. But the only issue with your fingers when you try to apply your foundation with your fingers is if you're not careful, you'll blend that makeup in, but you also blend that makeup out. So sometimes with the brush, it kind of really does help. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I love the feeling of this brush. I do love the feeling of this brush. I wish you could feel them. I'm not even gonna lie, I wish you could feel them. Look at that, guys. It's really nice and soft. I kid you not. Okay, so that's three. Actually, let me take them out. Let me take them all out. Okay, so that's what inside of that looks like, right? So that's three. So, oh, I'm just take those off, guys. Okay, so this one, I guess you can use this for different things. I think it's one of the multifunction brushes. I've never had a brush like this before, but I have seen brushes like this before, similar to that. I think this is an eyeshadow brush, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that is kind of like an eyeshadow brush. So that's like 5 in total already. This one just looks like it's an eyeshadow brush as well, but this might be like a shading brush as well, maybe. Yeah, I think it's a shading brush. And this one, guys, that's also another eyeshadow brush. So this is probably a blending. You got blending and shading. I never know the difference anyways, but that's what 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Kind of 15 because it's double-ended. So I'd say 15. So this one is basically for your eyebrows and your lashes. You can use this. Especially if you use your fake lashes and stuff, you want to comb your lashes out. You can use it for your brows. You can use this one for your brows. You can use it to if you got those gel eyeliners or kind of creamy eyeliners, or even if you got cream eyeshadows and you want to use it as eyeliners, you can use that for that as well. I do always like a slanted brush. A hard handle slanted brush. I do love those. So that comes in really handy. This is if you are a cream eyeshadow girl. Look at that, guys. Cream eyeshadow brush. So I'm not gonna lie, this is actually for $15.99. This is actually a really, really, really good brush set. That as well. I'm guessing that was also another eyeshadow one. Maybe a precision one. Another blending one. And this, guys, as well, you can use that to blend your eyeshadows as well, I'm guessing. Another hard angle brush. I do like hard angle brushes, and you have that one as well, guys. So it's quite a lot of brushes. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't wear eyeshadows as much as I used to. Back in the days, I used to wear quite a lot of eyelashes. Back in the days, I used to wear quite a lot of eyeshadows. So this would have been kind of like the most ideal brush set for me because I used to do a lot with my eyes. Now I don't do so much, but I do occasionally if I'm going to weddings or, like a little fancy dinner or event and stuff like that, I tend to do more of my eyes. But if you see me generally with my makeup, it'll tend to be an eyeliner or me do my brows and my face and stuff like that. So I know for at least 1, 2, 3, 4, probably at least 6 of these brushes I'll probably use on a regular. I know my friends though, I've got a lot of friends that do a lot of eyeshadows and their eyes, their main focus. Some of them will not do anything else but their eyes. They'll go very natural on the face and do something in the eyes. So these are not going to go to waste. These are going to go to those girlies. They're going to make use of it. But guys, I do love the way these brushes feel. And I think for $15.99, I feel like these are really good. Look, I kid you not, like, look at this. Like, you know, look, there's literally so many for $15.99, and like you have a double-ended one like this. So it's definitely worth the money. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys are interested. The name of the brand is HEYMKGO. Go and check it out and stuff. They have, I think they do have their website, but they also have these brushes on the Amazon website. So I'm going to send you their link on the Amazon. I don't remember them giving me a code for these. But to be honest with you, let's be honest, they're so cheap. Do you really need a code for them? I honestly don't think you'd need a code for them because they're actually so reasonably priced that I don't think you would need one. But honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what they'll feel like once you've washed them. I'm gonna probably wash them and leave like a little message or a comment on my community just to update you guys later on to let you know how these are once you've washed them, because I do know that as much as the brushes are nice and soft, sometimes when you wash brushes, things go horribly wrong, guys. So I will update you on that. But honestly, the way they feel is very nice. It's very soft. And they don't smell, which is quite good because, you know, I've bought brushes before and they actually really stink. And you literally have to wash them before you even use them. And I don't have that problem with that. So, guys, definitely, I wish you could feel them. I honestly wish you can feel them. Like, I'm not even joking. These are really, really soft. So the quality seemed really, really good. So, guys, like I said, I'm going to put it in the description box down below, the link. So if you want to check it out, look at that. Even if you're just a starter, like you're just starting with makeup and stuff and you just want your tools, all the stuff that you need, you can't go wrong with this, because sometimes you have one of these brushes for like 30 odd pounds. Just this brush, right? Just this brush for like 30 odd, 20 odd pounds. And you're getting the whole 15 brushes basically. Because remember, like I said, this is double ended. So you're getting 15 brushes for $15.99 with HEYMKGO. So definitely check them out, guys. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for always supporting the girl. Yes, I appreciate you. And if you're new to the channel, guys, it's your first time here, please remember, subscribe before you leave, okay? Subscribe before you leave. But anyways, guys, I'll see y'all in next week's video. Yes, I'll see y'all in next week's video. But for now, guys, keep it sassy, delicious.